In today's video, guys, I want to show you how you can go from $0 to over $12,000 every single month in passive income by turning these viral services over here on Fiverr.com into full-on profitable funnels over here. This is an amazing concept where you can sell these high-income skills and services all around the world without actually doing this work yourself, as people will be ordering the service from you at a price, and all you're going to do is come over to Fiverr.com to outsource this work, and you can actually get multiple sales from your funnel at the same time. All the hard work is being done by these freelancers over here on Fiverr.com. You can offer all sorts of services from digital marketing. Take a look at this, screenshot the screen, crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, music promotion, mobile app marketing. You can offer video and animation services, writing and translation, graphic and design, programming and tech. My favorite and most profitable niche over here. Some of these services sell for thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can actually outsource these services at a really high quality for really cheap from freelancers at Fiverr.com and sell that in your own funnel and scale to over 5 and 6 figures every single month. If you want to learn exactly how you can do this completely for free, I'm also going to show you how you can get an extra 50% conversion rate by giving your leads free samples. Because in marketing, the best way to get clients is to go out there and give free stuff. If you give, eventually you're going to get back and get those sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this all up. Make sure to not miss this one. And I'm going to have an epic giveaway just in a bit. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an epic giveaway in today's video. I'm going to give you a free course on Snapchat marketing, which will teach you how you can actually go and make money online on Snapchat. All you need to do is go down below, enter your email, and I'll send that download link to your email address. It's completely free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All I would appreciate is leave a like down below, comment down below that you're ready. Make sure you're following this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, and let's get straight into this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to Fiverr.com. Now, before you skip throughout this video, I'm not going to waste your time with this. I'm really going to give you tons of value in this video. Over here, you can see all the different services that you can go and offer, from business, lifestyle, trending services over here, such as NFT services, NFT arts, NFT marketplaces, drop shipping, game development, tax season, architecture, and interior design. You can go out there and offer NFT services without actually doing that work yourself. And as you all know, you can get paid a lot of Ethereum with this. And the funnel that I'm actually going to show you, you can get paid in cryptocurrencies. So not only are you going to make a lot of money, you can also collect a bunch of crypto and have that go up by 10, 20, 30, even 100% over the next few years. So your money is doubling itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to NFT services and NFT art over here, and you can go and create a funnel where you will go and create NFTs for people. And have a look here. This person is designing very rare, high selling NFTs for just, let me put this in dollars for you over here. It's currently in my currency. You can see here for just $250. Now you can go and sell this at $450. Keep $200 in your pocket and go and pay this guy on Fiverr $250, and he does all of the hard work for you. Here is another guy for $100. You can go and sell this at $299. And I mean, all of these guys have 5-star ratings. Let's actually go and click on this. I just want to show you how you must go and choose the right service provider. It's super important that you follow this next step and watch with me over here. Here you can see, if you scroll down, you want to read through all of these reviews. Have a look at what people are saying. Have a look at what they're commenting, why they're rating 5 stars, because it's super important that you know their work is really good quality. So here you can see this art is amazing. He perfectly captured our design. So people are obviously very happy with his work. So this is a service you can go and choose. You can see they've got 3 different packages, from basic to standard to premium over here. Obviously more expensive, but you're getting a lot more from this. So for example, the premium package is expensive, but he will go and design an NFT art attribute and generate 10K with the collection over here. This person over here will generate 1K unique NFT art, and the basic is a simple design of your own NFT image, which you can go and sell on the NFT marketplace for $200, $300. And when that grows up in value, you never know, it could then retail for over $100,000, like some of these NFTs have been doing. So this is actually a really good niche for this. I'm going to show you how you can go and build a funnel around this and build your own NFT design business and make 5 to 6 figures every single month. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to a website called builderall.com over here, where you can go and build funnels, integrate automatic mailing campaigns, build your own WooCommerce stores. This is honestly an epic tool for a business. This is honestly an epic tool for an online entrepreneur like you and me. building our funnels and building our businesses online. Now this tool is a paid tool. Now you can go and get this tool over here for completely free your first month with over $1,200 worth of funnels, bonuses, email campaigns, even a private Telegram group. That will be the second link down below in the description. If you want to go over to this tool, all you need to do is click that link down below, claim your bonuses, and once you sign up, it's going to take you to your dashboard over here. We're going to come over to the apps page over here. Just hover over apps. You'll see every single app Builderall has to offer over here. We're going to come over to the funnel builder, and it will take us 5 minutes to go and import a done for you funnel without having to spend days in designing this funnel and putting it together. It's all here for us. So it's a super easy system. I really recommend that you continue to watch this because this is important, where we're going to set this up and make our money with this. We're going to click on add funnel. We can type in the name NFT funnel over here. We can go and select from a whole bunch of different themes. One of my favorites is actually the blue theme over here. It fits really with any niche. Blue is a great color, and it's a friendly color for people to land on when they see the sales page. We're going to click on start funnel over here. We can close this prompt over here. If you come over to blueprint, you can go and import done for you blueprints over here. So what we want to do is we want to click on sales process over here. We can create a simple sales video sales letter, perpetual funnels, daily deals, free trial funnel, invisible funnel, product launch funnel, tripwire funnel, where we can have upsells and downsells. We're going to go and choose giveaway funnel over here. The reason being because, like I said in the beginning of this video, we want to give something away in the beginning to get our audience to come back to us, and we want to give in order for our audience to give back to us. So we're going to actually give something away for free, which is going to be a basic NFT course that will teach your leads how to go and sell their purchased NFT from you. So we're going to click on the plus sign over here, and all the pages will load up. You've got a lead magnet page, which is the free giveaway page where you give them a free ebook, a free course. You will then collect their email. It will then take them to their free membership area where they can go and buy this, where they can go and download this specific giveaway. It will then take them to the sales letter page, then a checkout page, and then a thank you page over here. So we're going to click on generate websites on the top right over here, so we can go and generate a funnel in just a few clicks in just a couple of seconds. On the next page, you will be able to edit each and every page in this funnel, starting from left to right: our lead magnet page, our confirmation email page, our free membership area, our sales letter, our checkout page, and then our thank you page over here. So we're going to go and start off with page number 1 and go and design this lead magnet page, which is the page we'll be going to give away our free giveaway. Over here you can see it just says here, download your free copy today. This is the basic blue theme over here. And we need to go and find some sort of giveaway that's related to the NFT niche. Let's come over to a website called idplr.com, which is a website where you can go and find tons of ebooks, courses, free resources that we can go and give away. So let's go and search NFT over here, and let's see if this website has anything. So I'm going to go and search NFT. This is a good example over here. NFT Is Explained. So this ebook over here will explain to you how you can go buy and sell NFTs online with cryptocurrencies, usually encoded with the same underlying. So it basically just teaches you what NFTs are, how you can go and buy and sell them and actually invest in them. So we're going to go and download this free product over here, and they give us the license to go and give this away or sell it and claim it as our own. So we're going to click on download over here. You just need to log in with your account. Your first download will be completely for free. Once this has been downloaded, it will show on your PC in a zip folder format. All you need to do is right click on it, click on extract here, and you'll be able to go and see. If you open up this file, click on the PDF over here, and here is the entire PDF that will explain to you how you can go and buy and sell NFTs over here, how to use them, how to purchase them, how to sell them, risk management, how to get started with them. This is the perfect giveaway for our funnel over here, since our main product is going to be selling the design of NFTs. So we're going to come back to Builderall over here. We can go and delete this, or we can go and edit it. We can click on edit elements over here, general settings, change this image, because obviously we want to change this image and not have some random watch on our sales page. It doesn't make sense. Click on select file, come over to the folder that way you've saved your NFT, click on squeeze page, images, and we've got a bunch of images over here. Let's go and download this report original page over here, the cover page, that people can see the cover of this ebook and they know what their free giveaway is. Click on it and click on save over here, and here you can see is the cover of your giveaway. Let's just make this a little bit smaller. We can fit this in the center. We can go and change the title of this over here. Enter your email below to claim your download, and we can just make this centered over here. For this email section over here, for this form over here, you want to click on set list over here. For this little form over here, there's a quick step we need to go and do. I recommend watch this because this is super important that you get this right. Come back over to the Builderall dashboard over here. We're going to go and click on Mailing Boss, and we're going to go create a specific list just where we can go and save all the people for this funnel, so we can send them out promotional emails, coupons to get them back to our funnel just to get even more sales. So we're going to click on lists over here. We're going to click on lists again. Click on create new list on the top left. Go and type in the name, for example, NFT list. Display name, we can go NFT list again. For the opt-in, double opt-in and double opt-out. Description we can save as is. Click on next over here. For the description, again, we can just paste NFT list. Make sure this is double opt-in and double opt-out. Click on next over here. And you want to create an email and a first name field over here so we can capture their email and their first name. Click on save changes over here. So this is now saved and our list has now been created. We can come back to our page over here. Just click on save and we need to reload and refresh this page. Close this, right click, reload the page. Now click on your form, click on set list over here. And you want to go and select the NFT list here that you've created and click on save. And that's our first page done. So when people enter their first name and email address and click on get instant access, an email is going to be sent to them with their free download over here. So in order to go and set that up, come back to Mailing Boss over here. We want to click on create a new sequence over here and let's go NFT sequence. Click on continue because obviously we need to go and set up that email in order for that email to send out to our leads for their free giveaway. So we're going to click on the NFT list over here for the segment. Don't worry about this. Send to future subscribers only. Save and edit sequence emails. And let's go and enter the subject over here. Your free NFT explained download is ready. We just want to go and enter this email over here. We can go hi. You want to type in square brackets, F name, close square brackets. This will replace this with their real name. Here is your free download link. Click on colon, click on enter. We can go and copy the download link of this NFT book. We can go and paste this here. Go and highlight this. Click on link and make sure it's a clickable link. And we can go kind regards. J, which is the NFT Explained support team. So now when people enter their email on this page over here, this email will be sent to them immediately with their giveaway. So we can go and click on done over here. So this is now set up and our giveaway page is ready to go. So we can come back over to this page, just click on save, and that's our first page complete. Come back to this previous page over here where we can go and edit our pages. This is also super important that you keep following with me and don't miss this at all. Click on edit page over here of the confirmation email page. Now, as you can see over here, just one more step to go. Just open the email that you have and it will send them the link. That is right. And then what it's going to do is it's going to take them to the free membership area over here where they can go and get their free download as well. So we're going to have an email sent out and a free giveaway over here. So we're going to go, we can delete this little logo section over here. We can enter, click on the link below to download your giveaway. We can delete this video here completely. Click on yes, delete. For this lesson title over here below, and we want to go and open up the side tab bar over here. We're going to go and add a button. So let's click on button and we're going to drag this button up over here. We want to center this and we just want to type here on this button, edit elements, headline, download NFT explained. We're then going to click on set link over here and we're going to go and copy the same download link over here. And we can go and paste that over here and let's click on open in a new tab, click on select. Then under advanced options, we want to click on redirection action, select the web page. We then want to come over to the sales letter page and click on select. So that means when they click on download, it's also going to take them to the sales page over here where we're going to go and upsell them our NFT premium design service over here, which we're outsourcing through Fiverr. So let's go and click on our sales letter page over here and let's go and edit this. And over here, you can see is your entire sales page over here that you just need to go and enter your content. Now, the best part is you can come over to the Fiverr gig, literally copy and paste one of these descriptions over here, paste this on your sales page over here, and you can go and paste some description on a little bit about your offer. If you want to, you can go and add some of these pictures over here. So you can just go right click, save image to PC, go and put this on your own page over here with a couple of pictures. Just explain some of the designs by going and copying and pasting. For example, this little description here, you can paste here. More about your service, you can go and copy some of this here. More about your product, again, you can just go and copy maybe this description over here. And you don't have to have all of this. Introducing your product, again, you can put pictures here. And for this over here, get your own design, you can go and click. You can go and edit this button over here. So when people click on yes, I want it, this is the important part. It's going to take them to the checkout page over here. So we need to go and edit our checkout page after you've edited your sales page over here. So let's go and click on the checkout page over here. And finally, the last page over here, we can go and edit our checkout. So in order to go and add the checkout, we're going to click on add over here. We're going to click on elements, scroll down until you see super checkout. Click on this and go and drag this onto your page over here. We're going to click on the super checkout button. It will open up your business information. Enter your business name, contact email, cell phone number. Click on save. Enter the name of your product, NFT Premium Design. Come over to Fiverr, and for the description, we can go and copy this over here. Come back to your page and paste that over here. For your language, you want to select English. It's a digital product. For the category, we can just go and select media files over here. Click on next. For your checkout, you can go and get paid via PayPal, Stripe, and multiple cryptocurrency payouts over here. We're going to click on Stripe, enter your client ID, and then enter all this text over here. When you're ready, you can go and click on save. And now your checkout is complete. So they've got the address, email, where to send the NFT, and then the payment info over here, which they will then process via Stripe. Once you get an order off your checkout over here, you're going to save this Fiverr gig. Save it on your browser, leave it as an open tab somewhere where you can always access it. You're going to come over here and click continue with $100. Now you're going to set your price over here to, for example, $250 or $190. You want to make profit off that. And remember, you're doing none of the hard work. You're just transferring the work from one person to the other and keeping, if you want to, over 100% in your pocket. So now once this is done, you're going to go and send this art image over here to your client that has entered their info and bought the service from you, and you're keeping all of that money in your pockets. Once this is done, click on save over here, and your entire funnel is now complete. And the best part about your funnel is you can go and get all sorts of traffic to this, whether you want to start an Instagram page, TikTok page, Facebook page, paid ads on Google, Facebook, Bing, Quora, Reddit, you name it. You just need to go and get people into your funnel. And the best part is those people that enter your funnel stay in your funnel forever because you are keeping that email over here. So once you get 5,000 people the first month and 5,000 people the next month, you've now got 10,000 people in your funnel because of that list where it's saving all of the emails, because you're always getting them to come back to your funnel over here where you're selling your service. So who knows, by the time you've been running this funnel for a year, a couple of months, 2-3 years, you could have scaled this funnel over here to well over 5, 6, maybe even 7 figures if it really takes off over here. So what I'm going to do is to really help you out with traffic, I'm going to leave my entire affiliate marketing playlist over here, where in these videos I talk about hundreds of different traffic methods that you can go and use at the same time if you want to. You can go and post a free ad on Facebook Marketplace or any of your local marketplaces. Here is a free NFT giveaway, and then you can go and use this giveaway page over here to give that away, and then naturally they are upsold to your paid service over here. So this playlist over here will really help you out with tons of traffic methods. Make sure to click on it, and I'll see you over here.